In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account. Whether you're tidying up your online presence or just choosing to streamline the number of accounts you maintain, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. So sit back, follow along, and let's get started. The first step in this journey is to click on the profile icon. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of your screen. It may be an avatar, your profile picture, or a simple icon representing a user. Clicking this opens a drop-down menu revealing a range of options tailored to help you navigate your account settings and preferences. This is where you'll begin the journey of managing, or in this case, preparing to delete your account. Now, from this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and select Account Settings. This section is key as it holds all the important details related to your account operations. Entering here, you might be greeted with a variety of options dedicated to enhancing and customizing your experience. You may encounter sections linked to privacy settings, security measures, or general account information. Located somewhere in these settings, you'll need to find the option that reads Delete Account. This is a critical step as it's often not placed front and center. Instead, it's tucked away, placed under subcategories like security or privacy. This setup encourages users to think twice about the decision to delete, ensuring it isn't done accidentally. So take your time browsing through each section carefully until you find it. Once you've discovered the Delete Account option, you're almost there. But there's one more step, following the prompts. Websites use these prompts to double-check your decision. These may include steps like verifying your identity, asking for your password again, or even providing feedback as to why you've decided to leave. These prompts are put in place to protect your information and confirm that the action is intentional. Pay close attention and follow each prompt carefully. This might feel like a lot, but it's designed to provide multiple layers of confirmation to safeguard your account from accidental deletions. Finally, after successfully following the prompts, you'll receive a confirmation that your account deletion process has begun. Keep in mind, different services may require a period of time before the account is fully deleted, during which you can change your mind. And there you have it. You've now learned how to delete your account efficiently and securely. Remember, deleting an account is a significant action and cannot be undone in most cases, so be sure it's the right decision for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides and tutorials.